Welcome to our education channel from class 10th ICSE Mathematics from first semester. So first semester examination, let us see one test paper, it's a model test paper number 4. So chapter wise, if you want MCQs to prepare the chapter wise instead of model papers, along with the model papers, some more papers along with that, and chapter wise also MCQs. PDF files, I'm showing the links in description below. You just to go through from that also. So let us see this paper now. First one, actually section A, we have 16 marks and one question carries 1 mark in this section A. So most of the questions we can keep the ticks only by observing also, right? Here is the order of transpose of a matrix of order 3 by 2. So transpose means interchanging rows and columns. So transpose of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So option A, 2 by 3. So 2 rows, 3 columns. The matrix, this matrix is 3 rows, 2 columns. So it's a 2 rows, 3 columns. Which of the following is a direct tax? So this means which is included in GST in this sales tax, excise duty, entertainment tax. These all having the GST, but wealth tax is not under GST. So it is a direct tax. Okay, previous paper also we checked one model question like this. Next one. If in a triangles ABC and DEF, AB by DE is equals to BC by FD, then they will be similar if, first let us draw the two triangles when they are similar. So which option will be correct in this? ABC is a triangle. So let us take this triangle. ABC is similar. So let us take A, and if you take left side is B, right side is C. Same way you take for DEF also. Okay, so DEF. One more triangle. These both are similar. So place is same. So DEF, right? They will be similar if AB by DE. So AB by DE. AB by DE corresponding. AB divided by DE. Again, it's given BC by FD. BC by FD is given. Actually, when these two triangles are similar, it must be BC by EF. Right? That means these two must be same. So FD should be equals to EF also. So in this FD is the place and E and F. So E and D. F will be same, let us know. So if you just cancel, not of cancelling, just think if they're not there, then D must be equals to E. D and E. Okay, so in the place of D and E, these two must be same. So according to the options, if you observe, here is D place, D only is there. In the place of E, and this must be same because these two triangles are similar. Instead of D, I can take D and B. Okay, D asked is instead of E, let me consider this is B. So angle D must be equals to B then. So B is equals to D. So option C, angle B is equals to angle D. In this case only these two triangles are similar if this is the rule. AB by D is equals to BC by FD. Right? Next one, the third proportional to 8 and 4 and 8. Third proportional. That means 4, 8 and third let be x. So 4 is to 8 should be equals to 8 is to x. If 3 are in proportion, first 2 and last 2. 8, 4, 8 and let be third one is x. Okay, 4 comma 8 comma x. So 4 is to 8 should be equals to 8 is to x. Yeah, from this you can find out. So for me, product of the means is equal to product of the extremes. So 8 into 8, 4 into x. So 4x is equals to 64. From this, x is equals to 16. Okay, simplify. 16 for the 64. Right, and next one. A man deposits 1000 per month in a recurring deposit account for 2 years. If the rate of interest is 6%, then the interest and earned at the time of maturity. We have to find out the interest only. So we have the formula, that is I is equals to P into N plus 1 by into, the formula let me write here. I is equals to P into N into N plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100, right? So P is here is 1000. So 1000 into number of months, N is number of months. So 2 years, no, 24 months into 25 by 2 into 1 by 12 R by 100. Yeah, so rate of interest is 6. 6 by 100. If we simplify, that is the answer for that. Okay, let us calculate this. 100 10 times. Again 12 ones are 12 2. Okay, 2 to cancel again. 10 into 25 into 6. 1500. So 1500 is this. Interest, only interest is asked. Interest is equal to 1500. Okay, sixth one. If minus a is greater than or equal to 10, then a is less than or equal to minus 10. Yes, because if you interchange the sign, this symbol should be changed. Greater than must be less. Okay, direct answer. If a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, then b is equals to a plus c by 2. Because b minus a must be equals to c minus b, because the difference must be same. So b minus a is equals to c minus b. Take the b terms, minus b take this side, 2b, already b is there, 8 minus a take right side, plus a. So a plus c. 2b is equal to a plus c, then b is equal to a plus c by 2. So b is equals to a plus c by 2. That formula. If any three are in arithmetic progression, middle one is equals to first plus last one divided by 2. Right? That is a plus c divided by 2. Next one. The perimeter of two similar triangles are 32 and 24 if one side of the first triangle 16, then the corresponding side of the second triangle. So ratio of the perimeters of two triangles are exactly equals to ratio of the corresponding sides also, sides of the triangle. So that means 32 by 24. First triangle perimeter by second triangle perimeter is equal to first triangle one of the side divided by second triangle one of this corresponding side. So 16 by x. To simplify this, you'll get the answer. So do cross multiplication and simplify. 32 24. Okay, you can cancel here directly. Yeah, 16 ones are 16 2 and 2 ones are 2 12. 1 by 12 is equal to 1 by x, x is equal to 12. Any cancellation method you can apply, just get the answer. Right? And next one, they give the condition inequality. Minus 2 less than x less than or equal to 2. X belongs to real numbers. Real number means must be line. So here minus 2 is not included. Minus 2 is not included, but is included here. It's not included, but 2 is also not included in this. So option C. Minus 2 is not included, so it's a open circle. X is less than or equal to 2. 2 is included. So 2 is a closed circle and complete all the lines because it belongs to real numbers. Right. Next one. The discriminant of x square minus 5x plus 8. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So directly let me take x square coefficient is 1. So a is 1, b is minus 5, c is 8. So b square minus 4ac is a discriminant. Minus 5 square minus 4 into a into c. 25 minus, it is 32. It's minus 7. So it's less than 0. Less than 0, no? It is a negative. Right. It is the negative. And next one. Whenever two ratios are in proportion, just 1 is to 3, x is to 7. Product of the means is equal to product of the extremes. 3 into x. 3x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is 2, 1 by 3. Mixed fraction. Okay, direct value. And next one, when the polynomial f of x is divided by 5x, then the remainder. 5x make it equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 only. So just it is a f of 0 because there is no plus or minus, no. If it's divided by 5x, the remainder is f of 0. right? And next one is the progressions. The nth term of the AP. So nth term is, let us take, only we know the formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus, so A is a minus 5, first term, plus n minus 1, D is the difference, minus 8 minus of minus 5, it's a minus 3. So difference is, common difference is minus 3. Minus 5 minus 3n plus 3, multiply this. Then minus 5, so minus 5 plus 3, minus 2 minus 3n. Minus 2 minus 3n. Option C in this. And next one. The quadratic equation whose roots are minus 1 and minus 4. We have two options. We need to factorize every option and we have to check, or else whenever two roots are given, if alpha comma beta are the two roots, then quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. So this is the equation of quadratic equation when two roots are given. So alpha beta is given, so alpha is, let it be minus 1 and beta is minus 4. Substitute in this, x square minus sum of the roots minus 4 minus 1 minus 4, it is a minus 5x plus product minus 1 into minus 4. Simplify this, x square plus 5x minus to minus, plus minus into minus is plus, 1 4 is a 4. So x square plus 5x plus 4, right? So remember, this is the formula whenever roots are given to find out the equation. Equation to roots means you factorize. So directly apply instead of taking every option and factorization, is the formula when the roots are given. Okay, this is the question. Next one, if A is a matrix of order 2 by 3, then B is a matrix of order 3 by 2, then which is exist. So let us take 2 by 3 and 3 by 2. These two are same. First matrix column, second matrix rows are equal, is exist. AB is exist. And BA you check. B matrix order is 2 by 3. B is 3 by 2. BA. So B is 3 by 2 and A is 2 by 3. So first matrix column, second matrix rows are equal. So is exist. AB, BA both are exist means option C. Both AB and BA exist. And this last question in this section, if x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 1 is divided by x minus 1. X minus 1, no? X is equal to 1, you substitute in the expression. If we substitute 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 1. Yeah, 1 minus 5 plus 4 minus 1. So finally 1 minus 5 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0, minus 1. So answer is minus 1 in this. Option C. So which is the factor that find x value from that, you substitute in this. Okay, so this is a section A. Let's continue in section B. In section B, it is the 12 marks, 6 questions, carries 2 for each. First one in the 17th problem. Sanjana deposited 4,000 per month in a recurring deposit account for 1.5 years. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum, then amount of interest at the time of maturity. You have to find out the amount of interest, I value, right? So just apply the formula. We know that I is equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12 into R by 100. So always here is a P is the monthly depositing, that is 4,000. N is the number of months. 1 year 12 months. No, again half year, 12 plus 6. So 18 months into 19, because n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 12, and rate of interest is given 8%. So 8 by 100. We'll simplify, that is the interest. Okay, so here is 140. Again, just cancel this. 2 ones are 220. Again 8 and 12. Cancelling is make it simple. 4 times 2, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 3 1s are 3 6. Finally, 20 into 6 is 120 into 2, 240 into 19. Just multiply. So we'll get 4,560. 4,560. There's the interest. Yes. So it's option A. 4,560. Right. Straight formula I can apply. Next one. If x minus 4 is a factor of x square minus 3x plus m, then what is the value of the m? X minus 4 is a factor. So x is equal to 4 you substitute. X is equal to 4 you substitute in this. 4 square minus 3 into 4 plus m is equal to 0. Yes, 4 square is 16. 16 minus 4 3s are 12. 16 minus 12. So it is 4. Then 4 plus m is equal to 0 is m is equal to minus 4. So option A. Right. Next one. An article is sold from Kanpur, UP to Rudrapur, Uttarakhand for 10,000, and then from Rudrapur to Nainital, Uttarakhand at the profit of 3,000. If the rate of GST is 12%, then net GST paid by the dealer in Rudrapur. So dealer's net GST you have to find out. So whose dealer is Rudrapur, how much profit he got? Okay. Then from Rudrapur to Nainital, the profit of 3,000. So with 3,000 profit is sold. It's a dealer. So always dealers, distributors, they'll pay only GST on the profit. So instead of taking this 10,000 as consideration, directly 12% of this 3,000. Direct answer. Okay, 12% of 3,000. That is 12 by 100 into 3,000. So 100 times 30. So 30 into 12. So 360. Is option B. So just remember here clearly, the net GST paid by the dealer in Rudrapur. Okay, Kanpur to Rudrapur is 10,000, but Rudrapur to Nainital. So dealer who sold with a profit of 3,000. So on the 3,000 only on the profit we need to find out the GST because of the dealer it is. So 360 is supposed to pay net GST, right? Okay, next one. The solution set is given. So number line we have to find out. Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 2. Minus 2 is included. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. 2 is not included and it belongs to integers. So option C. Others are not. And here the mean proportion between root 27 minus root 17 and root 26 plus root 17. The mean proportion is square root of product of these two numbers. Product of this both. So square root of root 26 minus root 17 into same root 26 minus, okay, this is plus root 17. This is square root of a plus b into a minus b formula. So a square minus b square. So root 26 square minus root 17 square. So that is root 26 square is only 26. 26 minus root 17 square is 17. Root 26 minus 17 is 9. That is a plus or minus 3. So 3. So okay, we have options only positive. So it's a positive 3. Root 9 is a plus or minus 3. So 3 it is option. Okay, next one. The value of the product, just only the multiply. First row, first column. Matrices multiplication. First row, first column. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into 4, 0. So 2 will get. First row, second column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Next to 0 into 1 is 0. So minus 1 it is. With the 2 minus 1 already A is matching. Just you can confirm it. Not of even doing also. Just you can do, even though you get same answer. Second row, first column. Okay, 2 to the 4 plus 3 4 is 12. It is 16. Next to second row, second column. 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 plus 3 1s are 3. Yes, 1 it is, right? 2 minus 1, 16, 1. Already with first two only we can confirm this because it's options. So if you have the time to take the less time, just to once you confirm the answer, you can keep the tick and go for the next question. Okay, even though you'll get the same it is. Let us continue section C now. In section C, it is a 3 questions. Every question we have the sub 4 questions. So depending on the first one, the quadratic equation kx square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0 as real roots. So real roots means our discriminant is greater than 0, t value, right? We'll apply the concept. So given equation is kx square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. So discriminant, that is the b square minus 4ac. Okay, d is equals to b square minus 4ac. This is a discriminant because the condition is real roots. So discriminant must be greater than 0. So we can take b square. X coefficient is the b. Minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a. A value is the k. X square coefficient. C is minus 2. This value must be greater than 0. Okay, this is the condition. Now this is 36 minus 6 whole square minus 2 minus plus. So 8k is greater than 0. Then 8k is greater than minus 36. Take this side. Cancel this 8 ones. Okay, so 4 table. 4 2s are 4, 9. Then k is greater than minus 9 by 2. So k is greater than minus 4 and a half. So k value greater than this. If you check the number line, so it's a minus 4, next to minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, so on, right? So k value is greater than minus 4 and a half. So in between and greater. So this side. So while you're coming this side, as per the rule, smallest integer value of the k, smallest integer. Okay, the first problem, smallest integer of the value of the k. Smallest integer is a negative number and positive numbers. So minus 5 is not included from here this side. Okay, the first smallest is minus 4. Smallest integer is minus 4. Okay, in this number line. Okay, so just observe this. So it is minus 4. Next, smallest value of k, where k is the whole number. When k is the whole number, whole numbers will start with 0. So smallest is this one only. Next to 0, 1, 2. Will continue, go on, right? Smallest whole number is 0. Smallest integer is minus 4. So smallest whole number is also asked. So it's a 0. Right? Just only by solving we can answer this all. For k is equal to 1, the roots are. Okay, when k is equal to 1, what are the roots? In the place of k, 1 you substitute. Then find out the roots. Okay, so that means k value is 1. So the equation is 1 into x square. So it's x square. X square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. To find out the roots, we have the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this formula can apply in the place of a, x square coefficient 1, place of b, x coefficient is minus 6, in the place of c, constant is minus 2. So this you can apply. Let us do this side. Minus b. Okay, I am doing here. Minus b. So minus of minus 6, because b value is minus 6. Plus or minus root b square, minus 6 whole square. So 36 minus 4 into 1 into minus 2. 4 into 1 into minus 2 it is. Divided by 2a. 2 into 1. So 6 plus or minus 36 minus 2 minus plus 8 divided by 2. 6 plus or minus, okay, it is a 44 divided by 2. Make it simplification. 6 plus or minus root 44 we can write 4 into 11 divided by 2. 6 plus or minus root 4 into root 11. Root 4 is 2. 2 root 11 by 2. Take 2 common. 3 plus root 11 plus or minus root 11 divided by 2. 2 to cancel. Finally 3 plus or minus root 11. Okay, we got it. So that is 3 plus or minus square root of 11 when k is equal to 1. Same way for k is equal to minus 1, the roots. In the place of k minus 1, that means it's a minus x square. So only a value becomes minus 1. Instead of plus 1, a should be minus 1. So in the place of a, minus 1 you take 4ac, right? 4a means minus 1 here. So minus will come. So we'll get 49. So same calculation you do, already are done. So for this we supposed to get answer is minus 3 plus or minus root 7. Small change. Now take this equation and apply this formula. You'll get minus 3 plus or minus square root of 7. Right. So we can continue the same method. Let us see the next question. Here is for an arithmetic progression, Sn is 3n square plus 5n and tk, kth term is 164. So Sn is given. The first term, nothing but a1 is equals to s1. Okay, 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 1. So 3 plus 5. So 8 it is. Okay, option C. The first term is 8. And if you want the common difference, so we need to find out the second S2 also first of all. Then let us calculate here. A1 we got 8. Next A1 plus A2. Sum of the first two is nothing but S2 it is. So 3 into 2 square is 3 into 2 square, because Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n. 3n square plus 5 into 2. 2 square is 4, 4 is a 12 plus 10, 22. Sum of the first two terms. Then only A2 is equal to 22 minus 8. Because A1 plus A2 together is 22. Then A2 is equals to 22 minus 8. From sum of the first and second term minus first one is equal to second term, right? 22 minus 8. You can subtract. Yeah, it is a 14. A2 is 14 now. So second minus first one, 14 minus 8. That is a 6. So common difference is a 6. Common difference is a 6 now. The value of the k value asked. Tk is equal to 164. That means 164 is equals to a plus k minus 1 into d. A is the first term. 8 plus k minus 1 into d. Common difference is 6. Yes, you can apply this concept. So 8, if you take LHS from this, 164 minus 8, 156 is equals to k minus 1 into 6. Yeah, you cancel this 6 table. 6 2s are 12, 6 is 36. So 26 is equal to k minus 1, then k is equal to 27. Yes, k value is 27 here. And sum of the first 20 terms. Sum of the first 20, in the place of n, 20 you keep directly. So S20 is equals to 3 into 20 square plus 5 into 20. 3 into 20 square. So 20 square is 400 into 3. 1200 plus this 5 into 20, 100. So total 1300. So okay, sum of the first 20 terms is equal to 1300. Because 20 square, 400 into 3. Just 1200 plus 5 into 20 is 100. So 1300. Okay, so this is the progression question. Next we have the similarity problem. Observe this. In the figure, angle ABC, ABC 90 degrees and this ADB is also 90 degrees. AD is 4 centimeters, BD is 6 centimeters. Question is ABC similar to, so ABC similar to about BCD they gave. So in ABC, observe, in ABC triangle, first and last one is the hypotenuse. So first and last must be hypotenuse. In BDC, BC is the hypotenuse. So BC or CB. So now if you observe, in the C is the last letter. C is the third place. He also must be third. So there is no option again. So obviously this one, because BC is hypotenuse, and D is the 90 degrees. In this base 90 degrees. Okay, ABC is similar to triangle BDC, because in ABC angle C and BDC angle C is the same angle. So there is a third place, except to this no other option. At the same time, first and third letter is hypotenuse. Here also BC is hypotenuse, right? And the length of the CD, you have to find out the length of the CD. Let it be X. If you observe this, we have the two triangles. Triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. These two triangles are similar. ADB, so D is 90 degrees. In BDC, D is 90 degrees, right? In ADB, this triangle exactly similar to this ADB. So this triangle and BDC, these two triangles are similar and maintain the same rule here, because in ADB, D is the 90 degrees, middle letter, right? And in BDC also D is the 90 degrees. And AB is the hypotenuse, here is the BC is the hypotenuse. Right? You start from ADB and start from the BDC. These two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in same ratio. So from this we can write AD by BD. This first two letters divided by this first is exactly equals to next to 2. DB for second and third divided by DC. Let us apply in this. Okay, it is the 4 centimeters, it is a given 6. Okay, AD is a 4, BD is 6, and DB is also 6, and this is X. From this you can find out X value. 6 into 6, 36 by 4. So it's 9 centimeters length of CD. Just observe which two triangles are similar. According to that you can make it. Next one here, ABD is similar to ABD. Yes, this is similar to ACB. Out of ABC letters only they are asking. Now need to understand clearly. In ABD, starting is A, no? A is the common angle, so it is option. A is there, and here also is A is there. But next, in ABD, AB is the hypotenuse. Okay, this is one of the side in ABD. In ABD triangle, only this triangle you observe. Just let me mark this. In ABD triangle, AB is the hypotenuse, right? In ACB, yes, AC is the hypotenuse. Same, AB and AC, it's matching. So this only the similar. Should not take, because AB is not hypotenuse in this. AB is not hypotenuse. That's why it's a different. So ABD is similar to triangle ACB. Length of BC is asked. So already X value we got, it is a 9. If you want length of the BC, use the Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is equals to sum of the squares of other two sides. So 9 square plus 6 square, 81 plus 36, 117. BC square is 117, means BC is equal to square root of 117. So it's the option C. Okay. So this is the main thing. Just similarity we need to understand clearly first. The question, which two triangles are similar. Try to make the angles, which angles are equal. Those angles should be matched. So based on that we can do it. Okay. And chapter wise the preparation is very important, along with the model papers, chapter wise. So we have 10 chapters, all the chapter wise MCQs by covering all the topics in that particular chapter, providing the links in description below in the PDF format, all the files. You just to go through that files and you can learn.